My name is Janet Branch. 1951 I was born. Oh, the children, they were beautiful. Absolutely fantastic. I wish I could keep them. They were so good. They were so kind. As this little girl that comes over there and holds my hands. And then my heart was going boom, 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 boom. We played games, played hide and seek. I don't know where my tattoos go. Why should I get bored here when I've got everybody here? I don't get bored. To me, this is home from home. And I like it here. You know what I mean? I'm always happy here.